Okay, welcome back to my channels and to my classes, which is study with teacher Saddam. Today we are going to talk or to have a differentiate between simple sentence and present simple when we talk within the time. In our previous class, we have talked about how to make simple sentence without any time. So today we are going to start to have a sentence with time. So we'll start our tenses by the first and the most important tense, which is present simple. So let's talk today about present simple. What's present simple? Present simple, it talks about an action happening at general information or at the current times, or talks about daily routines or about habits. So if we want to talk or know about the usage of present simple and the rule of present simple, we will divide it, the class, into two. First of all, what is the usage or what is the usage of present simple? Let's say the usage, we use the present simple to talk about general idea or general information, which means my name is Saddam. Is the present simple. This is an information. Or talk about an habit. Let's say I get up at 7 o'clock. She gets up at 6 o'clock. Okay? Or we eat burger every Thursday. Here we talk about habits. Sometimes we talk about routine. Let's say for a job, I go to my work 5 days a week. Okay? Or we use it for truth information. The sun rises from the east every day. So the usage of present simple merely 4 or 5. Habits, general information, and daily routine, which is daily or weekly or monthly or annually, or we talk about a truth information. So let us know how to use it as sentences. What's the difference between a simple sentence without rule and present tense sentence? Let's say in the past we say difference between present simple tense and the simple tense. Let's say in the simple tense we say she go to school without mentioning a time. But in the present simple tense we use she goes to school. Here let us come to discover how we change go to goes and why and what the reasons. First of all, we'll start dividing or setting the rules. For example, let's say number 1, the rule of present simple is start by subject plus verb. These optional things s, es, and ies, we can add it as an option. Then object, if it is necessary. So let us divide the subject into 2 so it will help us to know when we add s, es, or ies. Number 1, I, you, we, they. Thus we call them the poor people. Okay? The poor. يعني المساكين. Why we call them the poor? Because they accept that verb in infinitive form. Infinitive form, it means what? With nothing. Add nothing. Plus object. So if we found I, you, we, they, or a number of people, the verb receive nothing. No s or es or say you kill Ali. Kill as it is. We drink coffee. Drink as it is. I speak English. Here we add nothing, or we didn't add s, es, or is to each verb here. And this is number one. Why we call them the poor? Because we add nothing. As poor people, if you give them 1 GD or 1 pound or $1, he will say thank you. And he will say nothing. If you give him $10, he will say nothing. 10 GD will say nothing. So here, they receive the verb as it is, and they will say nothing. I, you, we, they, don't add anything to the verb. Let it as it is, in infinitive. Okay? This is number one. Let's see the second, how we use S. He, she, and it, we call them third person singular. Third person singular. What will happen? The verb that comes with the third person singular, call them the problem maker. I call them the problem maker. Okay? What's the problem maker? Which we add S, ES, IES. In general, we add S. If we find he, she, it, or any single name. One person. So, when we add ES, for example, when we add ES to the verb, if the subject is he, she, it. So, we have O, I, U, X, CH, SH, S, and double S, and double Z. If the verb end with one of those, we add ES. It's important to start the subject with one of those three. And for example, the verb go, it ends with O, so we add ES. If she goes. Okay? The verb kill ends with L. L is not one of those, so we add S. Okay? The verb fix ends with X, so X is here, we add ES. He fixes his car. The verb watch ends with CH and is here, we add ES. She watches movie. Okay? This in general. When we add IES to the verb, if the verb ends with Y and before this vowel, if before the Y there is any vowel, we add S just. If before Y there is consonant, we change Y to I, Y to I, and add ES. So, verb like cry, R is not a vowel, so it tends to be cries. Verb like play, because there is a vowel before Y, we say plays. All this, the subject is supposed to be one of those three. So, present simple talks about habits, information, or general information about rules or routines. So we use S, ES, IES with the third person singular he, she, it. So in general we add S. If there's CH, O, U, I, X, CH, SH, we add ES. If the verb ends with Y and before the verb or before Y there's vowel, we add S. If there's consonant, we change Y to I and add ES. So next time we'll have more examples and we'll see the negative, and the question. Thank you very much guys for watching until the end of the video, and I want you to do not forget subscribe and likes, and please if you need more information or you have any comment, write down there